Hey. Welcome to Lachu Creations. It's time for picture puzzles, birds. I'll show you two pictures. Can you guess the secret word? Get ready, because here we go. Look at both pictures. Snowbird. Snow buntings called snowbirds are one of the most northerly breeding birds nesting inside the Arctic Circle. Can you guess it? Roadrunner. Roadrunners prefer running to flying and can reach speeds of 20 miles per hour on the ground to catch rattlesnakes. What word do they make? Firebird. The firebird is a magical creature from Slovak folklore with feathers that glow like fire and grant wishes. Think hard. Spoonbill. Spoonbills swish their spoon-shaped bill through water in a figure-8 pattern to feel for prey. Can you crack it? Crossbill. Crossbills evolved their crossed bills to specialize in opening pine cones, and different crossbills prefer different cones. What's the secret word? Lovebird. Lovebirds preen each other constantly, and a lovebird kept alone will become depressed without a companion. Ready? Go! Woodlark. The woodlark sings beautiful spiraling songs while flying in circles high above the treetops. You've got this. Songbird. Songbirds have a special voice box called a syrinx with two chambers, allowing them to sing two notes at once. Here's a tricky one. Tailorbird. Tailorbirds use spider silk and plant fibers to literally stitch leaves together to make their nest. Shout it out. Nighthawk. Nighthawks are not hawks at all but belong to the nightjar family and hunt insects at dusk. Look at both pictures. Kingfisher. Kingfishers dive at 25 miles per hour and can see through water surface distortion, so they always hit their target. Can you guess it? Sunbird. Sunbirds are Africa's answer to hummingbirds, and the males have spectacular metallic iridescent colors. What word do they make? Lyrebird. Lyrebirds have been recorded perfectly mimicking chainsaws, cameras, car alarms, and human laughter. Think hard. Bluebird. Bluebirds are considered good luck in many cultures, and their beautiful blue color comes from light refraction, not pigment. Can you crack it? Seabird. Seabirds spend their entire life at sea and only come to land to breed because the ocean provides all they need. What's the secret word? Mockingbird. Mockingbirds sleep very little at night during breeding season, and some sing all night long. Ready? Go! Blackbird. Blackbirds sing from the highest point they can find, and each male has a completely unique song. You've got this. Thunderbird. The thunderbird is a sacred creature in many Native American traditions, believed to cause thunder with its wing beats. Here's a tricky one. Swordbill. The swordbill hummingbird has a beak longer than its own body. It's the only bird whose beak is longer than itself. Shout it out. Shorebird. Shorebirds migrate up to 18,000 miles a year, and some fly non-stop for 9 days over open ocean. Bluebird. Blackbird. Songbird. Firebird. Seabird. Sunbird. Shorebird. Woodlark. Kingfisher. Mockingbird. Nighthawk. Roadrunner. Lovebird. Tailorbird. Lyrebird. Spoonbill. Thunderbird. Crossbill. Snowbird. Swordbill. You solved all 20 picture puzzles today. Amazing. Come back tomorrow. Wow, you are a picture puzzle champion. You solved all 20 puzzles today. I am so proud of you. Come back tomorrow for a brand new set of picture puzzles. And if you had fun today, give us a big thumbs up. Go on, press it. Subscribe to Lachu Creations so you never miss a puzzle. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, friends. See you in the next video. Ask mom and dad to subscribe to Lachu Creations.